Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to access your website cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open a browser and then type your website domain name. So here's my domain name, and after entering the whole domain name, give a slash and type cpanel. And now hit enter, and then you will redirect to your cpanel login section. So now here you have to put your cpanel username and cpanel password, and putting this username and password here, simply click on login, and here we can see I successfully signed into my website cpanel. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.